Hey there, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sithelo. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and also hit the bell for notifications so that you don't miss out on my next upload. So, Musa Khawula has once again alleged that Sithelo is on drugs, ecstasy to be specific. So, he dropped this huge bombshell on an Insta Live with Uno Morolong. So, without wasting your time, check out this video and also subscribe.
Mommy, what do you think about Sithelo?
I think she smokes drugs. What do you think?
The website is ready to.
Ah, Ino, come back, please. Shit, Tommy. But Tommy, you heard that everyone was talking.
Say about Sithelo.
Tom, I didn't.
What did you say?
I didn't.
What did you say about
But Tommy, wait, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. You know, then she was at the weed bank, right? And then she was saying against umkunye. We was umkunye in Tony.
Guys, I even hate. I've heard about about the Durban whatever.
Umkunye is ecstasy. Do you take ecstasy?
Yep.
Because Telo does. Tommy. Well, everybody talking. It's not my fault. Thank you. But I had.
You've had it is a what? I have never tasted that.
I had. God, yo, it's not my fault. But do you know that? Wait. But Tommy, do you know that hair manager called me and threatened the shit out of me? I am very mad. Okay, I'm trying to pop this shit. Okay. Tommy, that manager called me. I forgot his name. And then he was like, do you know how much I invested on Sithelo? And I'm not going to let you ruin her career. But I'm like,
I just blocked
but I'm like,
I take those things. Oh, block and yeah, I'm listening to
so let me tell you. And then that nigga, the nerve of him. And then he excuse me, he invested a lot of money on Sithelo. And I'm asking, oh, that looks nice. I'm asking talk shit about Sithelo. But I'm like, sir, you're threatening me.
Long Island.
It's nice. It looks nice. So anyway, this nigga, and then I'm like, are you threatening me? Don't Tony. And then this guy yeah, take it the way that you do. But I'm like, no, it's not my fault to go to everywhere, and then she gets seen smoking or drink. How the fuck do you take it? Do you smoke it? Do you drink it? The way she does. And then she taking it, and then now I must get threatened because she's reckless about her drug take. So I didn't take that lightly. I didn't like that. It's not my fault. It's not my fucking fault. But yeah. But do you think, these are your friends and you all smoke drugs in the club?
I'm not friends with Sithelo.
But I mean your other friends. Because obviously she's not the only one.
Let me tell you one thing about Sithelo. I don't know who Sithelo is. Me and Sithelo have never had a conversation. We only met long time before Sithelo became who she is today. I met Sithelo.
Like what you mean? Like recently when she got her body done.
I met Sithelo many years ago when Ayepie Pretoria was opening. Musa, you need to understand when you're talking to me, you're talking to a legend. You're not talking to a girl that just got into the game. I knew Sithelo when through Eva, but I didn't know her. We don't know each other. But I knew her before she could even think or dream of being a DJ. Or she was in the crowd. Eva was like, that's Sithelo. And that's Lord Feels Baby. Oh,
baby.
Let me blocking other people. So I didn't know who is Sithelo. And then until Eva was like, there is Sithelo. Lord feels, baby. That
But
was, baby,
Tommy,
sorry guys. It's Hwasang. So that's when I'm like, oh, but she looks so random. Like she wouldn't even have makeup on. She would just go out wearing a white veil. That she was looking so fucking. And then she was like in the crowd like this. Before she could dream of being a DJ, she was so happy. And that time we got serious invitation on check. But I was there with Eva. Eva got an invitation because Eva has a very good relationship with DJ somebody. Working relationship though. So
DJ somebody is fed.
nah, please stop it. DJ somebody's a nice person. Don't start.
But he's fed. He's a nice fed somebody.
At least it's a somebody. Anyway, so I don't have any. But okay, somebody was asking me that about what is your view on this girl? I feel like Sithelo is so hurt. I don't know, guys. Whoever that's recording this, that's gonna send it to Sithelo. Send this important part. Sithelo, hello. This is Ina Murlong. I've never had any conversation with you. I do not know you like that. I just only met you when you were part of the groupies in Pretoria when Ayepip was opening. Eva introduced me to you, and then Eva booked you to be one of her models, Pretty Much Cosmetics, and she paid you 10K. So you were basically Eva's girl. Anyway, I do not have a problem with you, honey. And as a woman, I see your story. You so vocal, like
Wrecking people's marriages, her story. Yes, that's her story. She wrecked Lord Phil's marriage. Isn't that her story? Well, but she did. But Tommy, she did. She fucking did. And I wanted to ask you.
the funny. Okay, I wanted to finish is that people will send and say, people need to get it. She tell her, I don't have anything against you. I don't have anything against you, but you put your life out there. So people know me. I'm not a blogger. I'm not a gossip priest or what, but I can address things that are going online that people are posting, and then I can talk about them. So
yes, we are talking about that.
We are talking about things that they post online. I feel like at this point, Sithelo is acting to be happy. She's not happy. When I look at the pictures, I see pain. I see pain because of what happened, having a baby with this guy, and then the guy dropped a better girl. It's not even about a better girl. It's about you. It's like now I don't give a shit what my ex does or my